Class 3, we are going to start with the new lesson number 3 of your main course book, MCB of Oxford New Pathways. The name of the lesson is Willy Woo Learns to Make Friends. How did Willy Woo made friends? Starter. Here is an incomplete picture of a little witch girl. Given below are a few details that are missing from the picture. Complete the picture of the little witch girl by drawing the missing items. Remember to color them. And did you know the word witch means a wise woman? A witch used a broom to sweep away all evil. एक तो विच थी यानी जादूगरनी, वो सारे दुष्टता को दूर कर देती थी अपनी ब्रूम यानी झाड़ू से. She used her cauldron to brew powerful medicines from rare herbs. और cauldron होता है बड़ा सा, ये बर्तन होता है एक, उसमें ये ब्रू करना, पकाना यानी उबालना. क्या उबालती थी? बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मेडिसिन्स जो कि रेयर हर्ब्स से बनती हैं. रेयर मीन्स विच आर नॉट ईजिली फाउंड. हर्ब्स मीन्स ये जो जड़ी बूटियाँ होती हैं, उनसे ये बहुत अच्छी अच्छी मेडिसिन्स बनाती थी ये विच जो है. शी वॉज अ गुड विच एंड शी वॉज अ लिटिल गर्ल. सो हियर यू कैन सी her hat is like this pointed hat, and she has this cloak, choga uska. This is her cloak, this one, and her wand. हाथ में ये एक जादुई छड़ी. आपने अगर हैरी पॉटर की सीरीज देखी होगी तो उसमें देयर इज अ मैजिक वैंड. सो दिस इज द मैजिक वैंड, एंड दिस इज द ब्रूम. Broom is like a cleaning kind of a device with which we clean the house, jhadu. So she also has this broom on which they travel from one place to another, because it is a magic broom. It's not an ordinary broom. They sit on it and then they fly. And then there is a cat also. You can see this cat here. So you color all this. First you draw them like this with a pencil, and then you color them. Okay, you can use your own colors whichever you want. So this story is about this witch, and it gives us a message that we should make friends. We should not feel very shy in making friends, because the friends help us, and we have to go out and tell our problems so that we can make more and more friends. Because there is a poem which tells us that don't count your age with the number of years in which you have lived on this earth, but the number of friends which you have made. Right? So now let's read this story and answer the questions that follow. It was Halloween. And now what is this Halloween? It is a festival celebrated mainly in the United States, US, on 31st of October every year, where people, especially children, dress up in funny or scary costumes. So this is a festival celebrated in America on the 31st of October, in which all the people, including and mostly the children, they dress up in all kinds of scary dresses and funny dresses. Like they also pretend to be like a ghost or a witch or a wizard. Opposite of which is wizard, W-I-Z-A-R-D. This is जादूगर को कहते हैं wizard. So it was Halloween. All the witches were getting ready to party on the moon. सारी witches, जादूगरनियाँ चांद पे जा रही थी पार्टी करने. Willy Woo was a little witch girl. Willy Woo एक छोटी सी जादूगरनी लड़की थी. She was very excited about partying with little witch girls from other parts of the world. And she was very, very excited that she will meet other witch girls from other parts of the world in the party and have a good time with them. She ran to the closet to check if her broom was all ready to take her on this long flight to the moon. So as she ran to her closet means her almirah, cupboard, and she wanted to find out if her broom was okay so that it could take her to the moon in this long flight means lambi udan. The moon is very far off, so she had to go there. and the broom had to be in good condition. But when she opened the closet, hundreds of mice scampered out. Scampered means moved quickly with short, light steps. So when she opened the closet or cupboard, she found hundreds of mice in it. One is mouse and plural is mice. See, you can see these mice coming out. So they had eaten up her broom and it was all spoiled. They had eaten all the branches of the broom. उसकी सारी टहनियों खा गए थे. With this kind of broom she could not fly even as high as the rooftop. इस तरह की broom से तो वो छत तक भी नहीं जा सकती थी. Willie Woo ran to the old witch broom maker and explained her sad condition. So she ran to the old. This is the witch broom maker. जादूगरनियों के लिए जो झाड़ुएं बनाता है, जादू की झाड़ुएं, तो वो उसके पास गई है and explained her sad condition. And she told him about her pathetic condition that she wanted to go to the moon, but her broom has been eaten up by the mice. She pleaded, "Sir, make me a new broom, please." And she begged, "Sir, please make a new broom for me." "Sorry, Willie Woo, I don't have any branches to make a broom," said the kind man. He was a kind man. He said, "I'm sorry, I can't do that because I don't have branches to make a new broom." "Oh, it's Halloween. It will be such a fun on the moon." "Oh," she says, "it's the Halloween time and I have to go to the moon to party there." "I know, I don't want you to miss the party," he said. "Run to the willow tree. Ask him to give you an armful of branches. Bring it and the best broom will be yours soon." He says, "Yeah, I know that you want to go to the party. So what you have to do is you have to go to the willow tree and ask the tree to give you a bunch full of branches so that I will make a best broom for you." Now what is a willow tree? I've sent you a photograph of this. It's a tree which is mainly with long thin branches and long thin leaves. In our country it is found in Jammu and Kashmir, and it is the willow wood with which cricket bats are made. Okay, so this is a willow tree. "Oh, I don't know the willow tree. How can I talk to him?" The kind man looked at the shy witch girl and said, she was very shy. She says, "I know I can't go to the willow tree and talk to the tree because I don't know the tree." "It's up to you, Willie Loo. This is something you must do. If you don't do it soon, you won't make it to the moon." तो उसने कहा, ये तो तुम्हारे ऊपर है, ये तो तुम्हें करना ही पड़ेगा. अगर नहीं जल्दी करोगी तो तुम चांद पे नहीं जा सकती. "All right, I'll try," said Willie Woo. She ran to the tree. ठीक है, मैं कोशिश करती हूँ. और ये भागी पेड़ के पास. "Willow tree, I'm Willie Woo. Please give me some branches to take to the witch broom maker. He promised to make a broom that can fly me to the moon." "Give me some branches so I'll take them to the witch broom maker, and he has promised to make a best broom for me so that I can go to the moon to party." The willow tree replied weakly, "I wish I could, but look at me. Ever since the well stopped sending me water, my branches stopped growing. Run to the well." She says, the willow tree said, I could have given you the branches, but they have stopped growing because the well has stopped giving me water. And my branches have stopped growing. So how can I give them to you?" So she asked Willie Woo to go to the well and ask him to give water to the willow tree. So run to the well, ask him to send me some water. If I get some water, I'll grow some fresh branches. Fried branches will be mine and yours to take. जैसे वो जब पानी मिलेगा मुझे तो मैं नए टहनियाँ उगाऊंगी, और ये जो ब्रांचेस या टहनियाँ होंगी वो मेरी होंगी और तुम्हारी होंगी, तुम ले सकती हो उनको. "Oh dear," said the shy witch girl, Willie Woo. "I don't know the well." मैं कुएं को तो जानती नहीं. Now the willow tree said softly. उसने बहुत नरमी से कहा, "It's up to you, Willie Woo. This is something you must do. If you don't do it soon, he won't make it to the moon. Same thing which the witch broom maker told her. All right, I'll try, said Willy Woo. She ran all the way to the well. Dear well, I'm Willy Woo. Please send some water to the willow tree. Ah, moaned the well. जब वेल से कहा पानी देने को तो कुआं बेचारा कराहा. Moaned means he made a sound which showed pain. I wish I could. I wish I could. A storm rolled a huge stone on top of me. I can't send water to anybody. तो यहाँ पे आप देखिए ये विली वू जब वेल के पास गई तो उसने क्या देखा, एक बहुत बड़ा सा तूफान जो था उसकी वजह से एक पत्थर उसके ऊपर आके गिर गया था और वो किसी को भी पानी नहीं दे पा रहा था. If you roll the stone off me, I'll send water to the tree. अगर तुम धक्का देके इस पत्थर को मेरे ऊपर से सरका दो, हटा दो, रोल कर दो, लुढ़का दो तो मैं पेड़ को पानी दे पाऊंगा. That's easy, said Willy Woo. She began to push the stone, but the stone was too heavy. Willy Woo tried to cast a spell on the stone. When she tried to push it, it was too heavy and she was too small, so she couldn't do that. So what did she say? She tried to do magic to the stone. Cast a spell means doing some kind of a magic, right? So she wanted to do that. Spell means words that have magical power. Okay. So witch's spell and witch's brew. Here's a spell from Little Willy Woo. Stone, move off the well, will you? तो उसने कहा विचेस जो है जादू करती हैं और विचेस जो है ब्रू करती हैं. दैट मीन्स दे मेक अ ड्रिंक बाय मिक्सिंग एंड बॉइलिंग वेरियस थिंग्स. हियर इज अ स्पेल फ्रॉम अ लिटिल विली वू. जादू कर रही है विली वू. स्टोन, यू मूव अवे फ्रॉम द वेल. नथिंग हैपेंड. विली वू बिगैन टू क्राई. कुछ नहीं हुआ, वो रोने लगी. हर टीयर्स फेल ऑन द स्टोन. द स्टोन फेल्ट सॉरी फॉर हर. Willy Woo, he said, spells never do any magic, only friends can. So when she started crying, her tears fell on the stone and the stone felt pity for her. And he said, see, don't try to cast spell on me. Magic doesn't work, but friends can do everything. Friends? What is that? Cried Willy Woo. She didn't know what is a friend. दोस्त क्या होते हैं? A friend is someone who helps you. जो आपकी मदद करे. ही एक्सप्लेन. उसने समझाया, उसकी बताया. गो टू द थैच हाउस ऑन टॉप ऑफ द हिल. यूल मीट वेलरी. आस्क हर टू हेल्प यू. इसे ये जो थैच हाउस, व्हाट इज अ थैच हाउस? इट इज़ अ हाउस विच हैज़ अ रूफ मेड ऑफ स्ट्रॉ, है. जो झाड़ों से या ये जो बड़े ये जो स्ट्रॉ होती है ना, जो उससे बने हुए जो थैच होती है, वो उससे बने हुए हाउस को थैच हाउस बोलते हैं. उसमें कौन रहता था? देयर वाज अनदर विच गर्ल कॉल्ड वेलरी. सो ही टोल्ड हर, द स्टोन टोल्ड हर टू गो टू वेलरी ऑन टॉप ऑफ द हिल इन द थैच हाउस and that she will help you. Oh no, I don't know her. How can I ask her to help me? Cried Willy Woo. She hardly knew anyone. She had no friends actually. So now she had to make friends because she wanted help. The stone sang. It's up to you, Willy Woo. This is something you must do. If you don't do it soon, you won't make it to the moon. All right, said Willy Woo. She ran to Valerie's house. When she got there, she said, hello, I am Willy Woo. Please help me roll the stone off the well. Sure, said Valerie. Can I bring my friends too? Of course. Certainly, said Willy Woo. Will they help us push the stone? So when she went and asked help from Valerie, she agreed. And she said that I'll bring my friends. Can I? She says, sure, you can bring. Certainly. Certainly means definitely. Surely. But will they help us to push the stone off the well? Of course, said Valerie. Friends always help. Friends are there for a friend in need is a friend indeed. Otherwise, he is no friend or she is not friend of yours. Soon 7 children followed the little witch girl as she ran down the hill. Now she ran down the hill and 7 children came with her. How many? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Valerie makes 7. And this is the witch broom maker. Immediately the well gurgled and sent. No, it took all of them to push the stone off the well. So all the 7 plus Billy Woo, they pushed the stone off the well. Now immediately the well gurgled and sent big water waves to the willow tree. So immediately the well gurgled means made a sound like water flowing quickly through a narrow space. पानी जब छोटी सी जगह से बड़ी तेज़ी से निकलता है तो उसमें एक साउंड आती है, उसको गर्गल बोलते हैं. तो बिग वाटर वेव्स यानी बड़े बड़े पानी की लहरें कुएं से निकल के कहाँ चली गई? विलो ट्री पे की जड़ में. द ट्री सोक्ड द वाटर and gave the children the best branches. Soaked means it absorbed the water. उसको उसने सोख लिया पानी को पेड़ ने और उसके branches grow कर गई और उसने उनको किसे दे दिया? बच्चों को. Now the witch broom maker sat down to make the longest broom ever. Witch broom maker जो था उसने सबसे लंबी झाड़ू जो थी वो देखिए यहाँ से लेके और यहाँ तक थी. इतनी लंबी झाड़ू उसने जो अभी तक कभी नहीं बनाई थी, इतनी लंबी उसने झाड़ू बना दी. Soon a lovely long broom was ready. Willy Woo was very happy. She invited her new friends and the witch broom maker to the moon. अब उसने किसे इनवाइट करा अपने साथ? अपने इन सारे दोस्तों को और विच ब्रूम मेकर को. They were very eager to party on the moon, so off they flew. बहुत ही eager थे, very very anxious, very very excited to party on the moon. So off they flew on the broom. See, there is another 7th one is here. One must be Valerie also. The 7th boy is here. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the witch broom maker and this is Willy Woo. So altogether there are 9 people on the broom. They all went to party on the moon. So you have to match this with this, so please do that. Question answers have been sent to you. Please write them in your copies. What are antonyms? Words which are opposite in meanings. So here the words: bright, opposite of bright is dark, unhappy, happy, worst, best, never, always, small, large, big, tiny, slowly, quickly, enemies, friends. So these are antonyms. ANTONYMS. They are called antonyms. Now what is possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns tell us about who a thing belongs to. Right? So I, me, she, you, mine, they are pronouns. And what are possessive pronouns? Ours, yours, theirs, etc. So when there are more than one, it is theirs. And when it is yours, we are talking about you, then it is yours. When something is mine, along with others, it will be known as ours. If it is only mine, I will say mine. So here you have to fill in the blanks. I have done them for you. Please do them in your book. Now punctuation. What is punctuation? PUNCTUATION. Punctuation. TU is known as tuation. Here T is sh. It's not tuation. It is punctuation. And how do you pronounce a word? That also you should know. So you have to underline a letter which should begin with capital letter and add full stops where added. So I have done this and then you will have to do it in your book. Now what is an acrostic poem? An acrostic poem is a poem which uses the letters in a topic word to begin each line. आपके पास कोई word है जैसे sun, SUN, तो आप हर लाइन जो है एक लाइन लिखेंगे जो उस वर्ड के लेटर से स्टार्ट होती है. जैसे sun, so much light, utter delight, nice and bright. You made a poem from sun. Things I am scared of. First write down the things which you are scared of so that you can make a poem out of it. So here, shadows in dark lanes, creepy crawly creatures, ants with loud voices, rattlesnakes' terrible tales, eerie, scary, horrible films, dogs without leashes. So they all scare you. SCARED. Scared से आपने ये एक पोएम बनाई. इसी तरह things that make me happy. So you have to make a poem with happy. Helping others, answering questions, picnics in parks, parties at home, yummy food. So all these things make me happy. The same way, if you meet someone, you say hello and take the name Ravi. If you meet your teacher, you will say good morning ma'am. If you are in a play field with your friends and you are going back home, you will say goodbye friends. And when you are leaving a doctor, then you will say good night doctor uncle. So these are things which show good manners and you must learn them. Now lesson 4 is Hachiko. There are different kinds of dogs which have been shown to you. There are so many varieties of dogs. Now this first one is a Raja Palayam. Second is Chihuahua. Very small dog it is. Third one is Dalmatian. And then fourth is this one. Fourth is a Dachshund. Fifth is a Pug. In the last you have German Shepherd, Alsatian, which are also known as. So this is a story of a dog. Next one, which is a very interesting and touching story of Japan. Japan, you know, is an Asian country. It's an Asian country, and it is a very small country, island country actually, surrounded by the sea, and it has so many earthquakes coming in it, and it has been also it had the misfortune of having atomic bomb dropped on its two cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. But this story is set up before that, in the year 1925 or so. Yeah. So we'll read the story in the next lesson.